Another question is how long a hair transplant will survive over time. I think this also goes with the same questions of what the safe zone and what the safer zone. I would say if your hair transplant is being done properly and the safer zone is being really respected, then your transplant will last as much as all the hair on your head in a donor area lasts. Obviously, as we get older, most of our hair in the donor area will thin also, so your transplant may thin. Reason why, if you have your transplant, as I say, at 25 and you're 60, some of the hair that were harvested at 25 may be outside of what we call the safe zone and will probably not last longer. So you may end up with less hair at an older age. It's nothing to do with the hair transplant not lasting longer. It's just the overall thinning of your hair.
Hey, thank you so much for watching our video. Please go to bhrclinic.com and why not fill out our online consultation form to have a free appraisal. Let's get started together. Look forward to seeing you soon.